What it do, y'all? This your boy Yak City 360, bringing y'all one, not two, but no, bringing y'all another one. Look at that boy, he got a custom cup. Anyway, shout out to Sprayway Customs, y'all. Today, this what we on. Yeah, got my fleece, got the dash, one of the worst ones I have. So, try to wrap a dash today, y'all. Well, I'm gonna wrap it in this, and then I'm gonna fiberglass it. I got some resin. I got my spray adhesive, not Gorilla Glue spray adhesive, and not Bondo fiberglass resin, but I'm gonna see what the stuff that I got, how well it works, and push come to shove, if it don't work, I'm gonna go get the Gorilla Glue spray adhesive he uses in his videos, and the Bondo brand fiberglass resin. I also got to get me some fiberglass body filler. What the dash pad look like up close, y'all. Somebody, this is the one out the black box originally. Someone tried to do something. I don't know if this is like some, I don't know what they did. They put some type of foam and stuff over it. I got this razor blade. I'm gonna try to knock off most of this foam. You see in these corners, and if you watch Sprayway videos, so you want to push down the parts that are up higher up. I'm gonna go through here, I mean, like in there, stuff like that. He said you can use like a Dremel, knock them down some. But this is my first time, so your first time, you should try to do it exactly as the professionals. I guess do the steps they use, but at the same time, I'm cool. I'm just trying to see how it turned out for the first time, y'all. So just push down all them high spots like he says. You know what I mean? Clean it up a little bit, whatever the case, and I'm gonna clean this up and tune y'all back. Just mixed up my resin and hardener. Workstation. I did have some spots to where it didn't overlap where the vent goes, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I should have did better. It's all good. My resin, it says 18 drops per ounce. We'll see. I'm gonna start applying it, y'all. Resin on. Day 2 of messing with the dash, y'all. I think I was moving too fast, man. I was moving too fast. I just went back to a Sprayway video for reference, and I should have left these things taped up on the top side before I put the fiberglass Bondo glass on there. I don't know if that wrinkles is gonna cause a problem. I got those in there. I don't know if I should try to pull them out or pull them out and tape them, or just keep them in there and then go through, try to clean them up. I might just try to clean them up with a razor blade and wire brush real quick before I throw this fiberglass mat on there. We're trying, y'all. We're trying. If y'all didn't see my short, I made me a table with the titanium 140, titanium MIG 140. It's not straight, but I welded these legs on here. The welds ain't good, but the mug is holding. This is what I got, y'all. I went ahead and used a thing with some water. Long story short, scuffed it up some and removed the little fiberglass that was overlapping what I could, and I used the razor blade as well. Threw some tape on there. Their counter sunk a little bit, but I ain't tripping, especially this is my first time doing fiberglass type work. Stay tuned with me. But since I did tape those up, Finna mix me up some resin. I got me a bag, mostly a 8 square foot, except for one little piece in this bag, all shredded already. Might need the other piece, I might not. Another day, y'all. Another day, another cigarette. Really want to stop, on the real. Anyway, right here I'm whipping up, y'all. Mixing up. What that man Sprayway Custom say? Whipping up that Rondo. Hopefully it ain't too runny. I ain't put my hardeners in here yet, so I'm gonna just mix it up real good. I went slacking because I didn't show y'all my the other parts of the video. I messed up putting the fiberglass mat on. I messed up when it comes to the vents and air pockets. I wasn't aware of the rollers. I know in a couple videos I watched the sprayways, I didn't see any roller, but I watched the old one, just going through them, skimming through them, keep going through them, and I seen some about the rollers after I'd already looked them up and seen some other videos from other people. But like he said he didn't even use them that time. I don't know if he uses them at all now, but at the time he was like, shoot, basically he said, I ain't even use it. I'm used to using the chip brush. But that's, I mean, this is my first go around, so still shout out to Sprayway Customs. No shit, no, I mean, like 100% appreciate you for all your videos, your info you putting on the net, YouTube, I mean, because us DIYers who don't got no clue of how to do something, you gave us more than a clue. Appreciate you. Salute and shout out to Sprayway Customs. But this is why it's a little runny. I might add a little body filler to it. I might not. They go over here, throw my hardeners in there, mix it up, paint it on. Today I'm using this 3-inch chip brush just because I only got this one and 1 2-inch one left. Gotta go buy some more. Got the hardener and got the liquid hardener for the resin. Seen multiple videos and comments saying, oh, you don't need both hardeners, yada yada yada, because one contains the other or whatever the case may be. But I'm gonna go out here and cut y'all back on in a sec. Got that Rondo fiberglass resin and body filler. About to throw my hardener in here. Also, y'all, I mean, I know the reds don't match, it's just spray can, but sand it down a little bit more, hit it with another coat. It was some rust on here. Throw them on my dad's truck. This is what we got. I need to sand it down, I know. My main problem I feel like I'm gonna have is up in here. That stuff. You can see there, I didn't get to overlap the fleece. But I don't want to throw it away and I don't want to sand it all the way down. So I'm going to try to get me like a disc. Not a disc, but you know, something I can go in here and sand it with. Like on my Dremel or something. And I got a spot there that needs filled thicker. And down here I believe, but second coat of Rondo. See what that do, y'all. I had to make some more. Them, I should be able to trace them out. I might do it right now a little bit.